Today I'm going to show you a beautiful recipe using monkfish cheeks, some chorizo and some other beautiful fresh ingredients like tomatoes, white beans and some spinach. Each monkfish produces 2 cheeks. We tend to buy large ones. We take all the skin and membrane off so they're ready to cook. I'm just chopping the chorizo into nice small pieces that'll fry up nice and easily. So now the chorizo is cooking off here, so we've got a bit of paprika to go in and a little bit of garlic. So just getting that in there now. Give that a nice little stir up. And we're just going to combine that. And then we're going to start adding some of our other ingredients. We don't want the garlic to burn, so we'll be pretty quick about this. Okay, now for the tomatoes. And let's get those beans in there as well. Perfect, so time to just chuck in a little bit of thyme. In it goes. And then let's get our spinach in there as well. So now it's time for a little bit of wine. A little bit of salt and pepper. Time to put the monkfish cheeks in. Get those in there. So we'll cook the monkfish cheeks for about 2 minutes on each side until they're brown. So there you have it, monkfish cheeks with white beans, chorizo, tomato, spinach and some herbs. Lovely, easy, very, very tasty.